Welcome to Unite Conferencing's tutorial on how to initiate an audio conference. Our reservationless service permits you to initiate a conference 24/7. No scheduling with our office is required. The only action required on your part is to furnish your participants with the toll and/or toll-free number displayed in your welcome document along with the access code. The host and participants dial the number supplied at the time of your call, and when prompted, will enter the access code to join the conference. When your account has been created, you'll receive an email from the activations department. Here's a snapshot of your welcome document. To begin the conference, dial in using either the toll or toll-free number. Then once connected, leaders and participants will be prompted to enter the 7-digit access code. Once accepted, the system will then prompt you to enter your chairperson passcode or to remain on the line if you're a participant. Once the chairperson has joined the conference, music on hold for all participants ends and the conference starts. By default, all new accounts accommodate 150 participants, including the leader. However, this can be increased to 300 ports if and when required at no additional charge. Our most frequently asked question is, why does the host have to use the 7-digit access code in addition to the chairperson passcode? Reason being is simple. This avoids any miscommunication from happening when distributing the codes to your participants. Unite Conferencing's process eliminates the stress of knowing who has the leader code and who has the participant code. For security purposes, the host can always change the chairperson passcode an unlimited amount of times. However, once the chairperson joins the conference, any caller dialing in following your arrival will not be prompted for the chairperson passcode. They will be placed directly into the call. By default, before being placed in the conference, participants must state their name followed by the pound key. *9 can be pressed during the call to receive a roll call of all the recorded names in the conference. During your conference call, you may want to take advantage of the chairperson commands and features, also known as the star features. The star features are designed to assist you in managing your call, ensuring a smooth and dynamic experience for all. We'll take a look at two of the most commonly used features. First is mute with *6 and unmute with *7. These are used when a host or a participant need to excuse themselves from a conference for a period of time. Pressing *6 will mute the individual's line, preventing their line from broadcasting unwanted chatter into the conference. Upon return, *7 will unmute their line, permitting them to interact again with the conference. Another important feature is 00. During your conference, if the host or a participant experience a challenge of any kind, 00 will summon an operator. When summoned, the operator will join the conference and answer any questions you may have regarding the call. Alternatively, the host can press *0. This is for private assistance. With this option, the host will be removed from the conference, and the operator and host will be able to address any inquiries away from the main room. Once resolved, the host will be placed back into the main conference. Finally, here are some best practices to improve the quality of your conference. One method is to use your handset. Handsets should be used when possible. Speakerphones and headsets tend to induce audio quality issues such as low audio volumes, static, or even echo. If using a speakerphone, please ensure that the microphones are close enough to the person speaking. Next is try to call from rooms designed for speakerphones. Many places are not acoustically built to ensure that you don't get feedback, echo, or noise. An example of this would be a tiled or glass wall in a room that allows sound to bounce around. This could cause an acoustic echo. If not calling from a dedicated conferencing room, please be aware of how you sound in the room to yourself. Glass from windows or ambient noise from traffic can be heard by all participants if you are not muted. Next is try to limit the use of mobile phones. It's preferred that hosts and participants do not dial in via mobile phone, as they often introduce unnecessary noise. In regards to participants, if mobile phones must be used, those participants should individually mute their lines using the *6 feature. If the host must use a mobile phone, the conference continuation feature *8 should be used. This will ensure the call remains active even if the host line is disconnected. Next method to improve the quality on your call is to limit the use of Bluetooth headsets. With regards to Bluetooth headsets, the microphones on these devices are usually placed only an inch or two away from the earpiece, which in turn has a very high chance of producing echoes on the call, which only your participants could hear. So try to avoid Bluetooth headsets when possible. Next are soft phones or IP phones across the public internet. The public internet does not differentiate voice from data and usually puts no higher priority on voice. This results in clipping or short losses of sound that can be heard if a data file is being transmitted at the same time your voice is being transmitted. Unite Conferencing can neither see into your public connection nor control it. So unfortunately, we cannot provide any assurances of quality on these connections. And finally, the last method to help improve the audio quality of your conference is try not to put your phone on hold. Many phone systems have music on hold, which will be audible on the conference. Either hang up and dial back when you are ready to participate, or mute your line on the audio conferencing bridge by pressing *6. Please note, if you are the chairperson and hang up, your call will be disconnected unless you have activated the conference continuation feature *8. This will ensure the call remains active even if the host line is disconnected. Many phone systems have music on hold, which will be audible on the conference. Either hang up and dial back when you are ready to participate, or mute your line on the audio conference bridge by pressing *6. Please note, if you are the chairperson and hang up, your call will be disconnected unless you have activated the conference continuation feature *8. This will ensure the call remains active even if the host line is disconnected. This concludes the tutorial on starting an audio conference. And remember, conferences can be started any time of the day, no scheduling required. It's 100% reservationless, and operator assistance is available during your call 24/7. Thanks for watching. Should you have any additional questions, please contact us at 1-800-624-9923.